just on our way to Andrew Drynan Park in Queensland. Just heading down Running Creek Road. Just thought I'd shoot some beautiful scenery on the way there. Just set up, and at this time, which is 10 to 4 on a Friday afternoon, that's our view. Not bad. I'm sure more people are alive, but we're all good. Not too busy at the moment. Let me just turn around and we'll show you where we are. You can see some beautiful scenery in the background, but let's have a look at the setup. So here we are. Nice simple setup compared to a tent or a caravan. Well, I'm not sure caravan. You don't have to get everything out in a caravan either, to be honest. But we've just got this new flooring that we got from King's, which is really good. A couple of chairs, table. Dogs are happy. Let's have a pan around. The sun's just setting over there, so we'll go the other way. Beautiful scenery there. So hopefully this area will keep clear, but you never know in Australia. People tend to park on top of you sometimes. But there we go, beautiful first pitch up in the motorhome. Little bit of nibbles before dinner. Just some chips and crackers and some nice English red Leicester. A little bit of wine. Beautiful. And 2 hungry dogs. Okay, so here's the final nachos. We've got refried beans, we've got guacamole, and we've got sour cream. And the sour cream is actually out of a squeezy sour cream, which my wife reckons is a game changer because you can't get in that in all the Woolies. So it's just a small amount, just enough for the nachos. We were able to do the nachos in the microwave, and the microwave was powered by the Bluetti. Let's go and enjoy the joys of the motorhome / caravan. We can have our nachos inside with the fan on, living the dream. Nice and cool, beautiful. So we're now just sitting outside enjoying the views as the sun's gone down. The Bluetti used 11% to do our nachos, so that wasn't too bad. But it's a beautiful evening here. I'll just spin the camera around and let you have a look. As I forecasted earlier, we have another caravan in between us and the original person next to us. I wouldn't be surprised if someone else parks on this 10 metres in between us, but fingers crossed they don't. But yeah, no, it's a beautiful evening. Sun's set over there, nice and cool. Great first evening in the motorhome. This is us sat outside. I'm enjoying a nice vodka and pineapple juice. Wife's on the rosé. Beautiful, just watching what's going on around us. Morning folks, it was an interesting evening. The dogs decided that they both wanted to sleep with us on the bed, so we were like a pack of wolves on the big bed at the back there. This morning just cooking up some nice bacon and mushrooms. Had the kettle and the toaster plugged into the Bluetti because we're off grid. All going well. Catch us in a bit. Nice peaceful Saturday morning. Dogs are chilling out, watching what's going on. A little bit overcast. Looks like there's an off-leash dog park. We're gonna check it out. Oh. Have a walk around the site. We're behind the trees over there. It wasn't an off-leash dog area. It was like a recycled water area or something. Never mind. Nice walk in the trees though. So it's Saturday afternoon now. It got a bit hot, so I had the gazebo in the boot of the motorhome, so I put the gazebo up. And I'd also brought the front awning from the caravan, which had a sail track on it. But I didn't actually see a sail track in our awning, so that's why I'd put the gazebo up. And then I was just sat there and I noticed the sail track on the front of the awning. So it was a bit of a struggle getting it in, and I had to loosen off one of the end caps, but I actually got the front awning on as well, so that's a bit of a bonus. So I'm not sure what you do on first side awnings on these. I think it's a Fiamma Ormister awning. Not sure how you put a side awning on these, because the ones we've got are either Velcro or sail tracks, but I can't see how you would actually mount one onto this. So if anyone out there knows how you do it, please let me know, or provide a link to somewhere where I can buy a side awning from, because it'd be nice to get a couple of side awnings for this motorhome. Saturday night we're having fajitas. Looks beautiful. Sat in the van, beautiful day chilling out outside, and now we're sat in the van enjoying the comfort of the motorhome. Thought I'd try a little bit of fresh coffee this morning, so I'm just going to grind some beans using the Bluetti. Beautiful. Right, let's make coffee. There we go, coffee loaded into the filter. Water's in. Put a cup under. Hit play. Let's come back in a minute. Coffee done. Beautiful. Although I've decided that it's a little bit messy with the grinds in the coffee machine, so I'm probably going to go back to me Nespresso pods, to be honest with you. But it works all right, it tastes good, but it's just the grinds in the basket once you've actually put the water through. It's a bit messy and a bit of a clean up, and I'm a bit paranoid about letting the grinds go through the grey water pipes in the van, so I think we'll go to Nespresso pods. What do you reckon, Leah? Don't care? About you, Freya? Not bothered. Watching the world go by on a Sunday morning. Sunday morning, just packing up now, ready to take off. Saturday night was eventful because our youngest dog, Freya, having been eating some sticks, it would appear, decided to puke them up at about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, which resulted us in all getting up and letting the dogs out. So yeah, we were a bit knackered this morning, but other than that, all good. It's been a good weekend, beautiful spot. So yeah, no, we've enjoyed it. It's a shakedown in the motorhome went well. We've made a few notes of things that we want to do or add, just little bits and pieces to put in the van, nothing major. The Bluetti did really well. For some reason the fridge ran low overnight on Friday night, but on Saturday night, last night, it was fine. But we used the Bluetti for the tea and the toast, and Then actually last night we threw the aircon on for a little bit, just to cool it down a little bit, and then we put it on to dry, as I did in my previous video. I showed you the dry setting. Only put it on for about 15 minutes, and it worked a treat. And then we just switched over to the 12-volt fans. I did try and charge the Bluetti, which I forgot to film, with the 120 watt solar panel that I've got, and I think the highest I saw it putting in was about 60 watts. So I'm actually thinking about either buying a bigger panel, a second Bluetti, or maybe both, but we'll see how we go there. But the Bluetti's done really well. I'm really impressed with it. And as I said to you, we had the Bluetti running the cable from the Bluetti to the outside of the van. So when I needed to turn it on, or we needed anything that was 240 in the van, we just turned the Bluetti on, because it was plugged into the input on the outside of the van, so it worked really well. So anyway, yeah, I'll just do a panning shot now of Sunday morning and see how we're looking, and then I'll catch you in a bit. So this is us. We're just prepping breakfast at the minute. Well, I'm not, the wife is. I've just been taking down the gazebo and the front awning off the awning there. As I did mention in another clip, if you know what sides I need for this awning, please let me know. But yeah, so you can see the cable running in over there from inside. The Bluetti's inside, and I'm just running it through to the outside into the mains. I'll take you around and show you that. We also use this King's mat, which has been really good. It's, although it did get if it gets direct sun on it, it does warm up a little bit, but other than that, no bugs, etc. So that's worked out really well. Let's just go around and have a look where the mains. So there you can see I've got the cord from the Bluetti going from the inside through the passenger door and into the 240 input for the van, and that's worked really well. So I'll just pan around now and have a look at the site. We've had really good weather this weekend. It's been really nice during the day, and then at night it's actually, with the windows open, it's been quite cool. So it's been a lovely weekend. So went well in the motorhome, really enjoyed it. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Happy to comment, ask any questions, and do let me know if you know anything about them side awnings. This is Freya, hoping she's going to get a little bit of breakfast, but that's not going to be the case, unfortunately. Nice bit of Sunday breakfast for me, not for Freya. She might get a bit of bacon though. So Freya and Leah have now assumed the correct position, and they've got a little plate of bacon. There you go. Leah, Freya. And we will enjoy our brekkie. And until next time, catch you later.